Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. A huge warning sign is being flashed right now, not just only for Bitcoin but for the entire crypto market. What is that and what kind of scenario to expect next? We are going to talk about this in today's video, and I'm also going to give you guys a quick update on Phemex Soul Pass, a free airdrop opportunity to all of our community members. So first thing first, try that like button if you haven't done it yet, and for those individuals watching for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So looking at this price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame, you can see the price of Bitcoin right now is forming broadening top. A broadening top is usually considered bearish and bullish depending on where it breaks, but in our case, since the price is getting attracted towards the lower trend line, which is one of the most important line of support here in the medium short term around 27,000, because we know as soon as the price breaks the lower trend line, this here is going to be looked as a reversal pattern. Yes guys, reversal pattern with a price objective around 25,000 range, and this 25,000 has been in our radar since couple of weeks because we have been talking about a bearish scenario which was playing out in a bigger picture, and even if this 25,000 gets retested, this could be a potential retest of previous temporary race line before price chooses a trend duration. So that's why this here is a very important price range for us, 27,000, because as soon as this 27,000 support gets broken, reversal pattern is going to play out, and along with that, the price is also going to follow this descending triangle. Yes guys, this descending triangle in a 4-hour time frame is also flashing a big warning sign, because right now this is an exact line which we are not supposed to break, because in a medium short term, if you break below this 27,000, then another bearish scenario which is known as descending triangle is also going to play out with a price objective around 26,500 range. Yes guys, this 26,500 is going to be looked as our medium short term target as soon as the price breaks the support around 27,200, 27,000 price range. And we know it's not just only because the price is testing the key line of support or it's forming this descending triangle. We also talked about this symmetrical triangle, a bearish symmetrical triangle which was playing out for Bitcoin in a hourly time frame. I was very clear, in the medium short term there could be some relief rally. This is exactly what I showed you yesterday. You can see a relief rally, but this relief rally will only get valid if we can find support above this lower trend line. The line which previously acted as a strong line of support rejected the price. You can see rejected the price and again started showing this movement here to the downside. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that according to the symmetrical triangle, you can see 26,500, 26,600 range is going to be looked as our upcoming target for Bitcoin if we fail to continue this uptrend, if we fail to invalidate this bearish scenario. But please be careful. What could the price of Bitcoin be also doing? Some relief rally, again approaching this 27,400, 27,500 range. But we know guys, until the price finds support above this rising trend line, the lower trend line around 27,500, we are going to look at this as a continuation here to the downside with a potential price objective around 25,000 in a bigger picture, 26,500 in a smaller picture. And we know, even according to this horizontal trend line, once we lose the support around this 27,200 range, we have to be extremely careful, because the price in that case will be breaking out from this channel, this parallel channel here. You can see the upper line is an important line of resistance, lower line is an important line of support. So in the medium short term, once we lose the support around this 27,200 range, we have to be extremely careful, because in that case, the price of Bitcoin is going to start showing another continuation here to the downside. And according to this parallel channel as well, 26,500, 26,600 is going to be looked as our upcoming target for the medium short term, because in a bigger picture, we know the CPL line is holding the price. Yes, this top CPL line around 27,100 is holding the price along with this broadening top, and also along with the lower line from the descending triangle. Yes, we are holding the line around 27,100, 27,200, but this line is extremely important, because according to the CPR, you can see once we lose the support from this top CPR line, The next area is going to be around central CPI line, and that is sitting around 25,000 range. So that's why, guys, that's why this 27,000 here in a media short term is extremely important. And not just only because of this, but if you also look at this price structure in a bit different way. Now, before I switch the chart, I just wanted to make you guys aware about the great opportunity provided by Phemex to our Crypto Anup community members. Phemex Web 3.0. What is Phemex Web 3.0? How can I benefit from it? And how can I mint the Phemex Soul Pass, which will give you an access to free airdrop? Phemex has finally decided to launch their own native token, Phemex Token PT, and all Crypto Anup community members have a chance to grab some Phemex token before the token generation event. So first thing, you have to be registered in Phemex using my link, which is provided in the description down below. Yes, guys, you have to be registered in Phemex using my link, because using my link you will not just get free Phemex tokens, but also we are giving away 25 lucky whitelist plays. So how to start? First thing, if you have already signed up using my link, just go to the Phemex front page and click on Web3 here. After that, click on Phemex Soul Pass. Once you have opened it, you just need to follow the two simple method to mint your Phemex Soul Pass, which is your ticket to own a piece of Phemex. Yes, guys, 2 steps to mint your Phemex Soul Pass. Don't have an Ethereum wallet? No problem, you can simply create a new one. You already are using Ethereum wallet like MetaMask. You just need to connect it with your MetaMask, and that's it. Mint Phemex Soul Pass. You can check your XPT, which is the token what we are getting right now, XPT, and that will be later converted into Phemex token. But for now, this XPT is what we are getting as a reward. So once you have done that, this is how it's going to appear in your dashboard. Phemex Soul Pass, once we have completed this simple process. But what is Phemex Soul Pass? The Phemex Soul Pass is a soul-bound token that serves as your on-chain password to a new era of decentralization, Web 3.0. As the first ever soul-bound token used by a major cryptocurrency exchange for decentralizing ownership, PSB, Phemex Soul Pass enables holders to own a piece of Phemex and actively engage in platform governance. Mint your unique PSB on Ethereum blockchain. Benefits to mint Phemex Soul Pass, which is free, guys. This is a free pass. Earn XPT, right? This is what you are going to get as airdrop. For now, each new PSP will qualify for XPT airdrops. Soul Pass holders are eligible to participate in the pre-mining event to earn additional XPT. So as I just said, if you trade more actively, more XPT will be rewarded to you. Become Phemex DAO contributor. Join the Phemex DAO, participate in governments by voting on platform actions such as new coin listing, budget spending, and more. Phemex Web 3.0 special campaign. Eligible to participate in Phemex IEO, eligible to participate in exclusive campaigns for special reward like limited edition SPTs and XPT. So guys, this is definitely a great opportunity, and if you want to know more, you can simply click on the white paper. But if you want to know more about the Phemex token, by simply clicking on it, you will see this utility token page where they have clearly mentioned the roadmap and also how many tokens will be distributed. So for now, this is where we are. XPT pre-mining begin. Trade to earn for XPT rewards, get Phemex VIP benefits. After that, in Q3, PT launch and conversion, I mean the XPT reward, what you will receive as airdrop for now will be converted to PT Phemex token 1-to-1 basis. So Phemex token TG and listing is in Q3. So what you can do right now, if you are already using my link, you can trade in Phemex to generate more volume, and more volume means more XPT airdrop, guys. This is a great opportunity. In total, there will be 1 billion Phemex token, but for pre-mining, there will be only 10%, which is 100 million token available. And if you look at this XPT pre-mining page, from the 1 billion total Phemex token supply, 10%, 100 million tokens will be allocated for pre-mining as XPT. And since Phemex is providing this option for us very early to our community members, first of all, thanks to Phemex. And also guys, 19.936 million of XPT token is still claimable. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, the link to Phemex is in the description down below. Simply click it and register yourself. That's it. Now coming back to this ascending channel, we have been monitoring this price movement since couple of days, and I have also been very clear with you guys. According to this ascending channel, since the support has already been broken, the area of confluence where we could be getting attracted in the medium short term is going to be around 26,000 range. And we just found out with this bearish scenario, which is also lining up parallelly for Bitcoin, 26,500, 26,600 is on the line. But also, according to this ascending channel, 26,000 could be looked as the upcoming target for Bitcoin, because we are clearly showing weakness. We are clearly lacking momentum to continue this uptrend. And we know, guys, we know this bigger rising wedge is clearly indicating us another warning sign. Warning sign because the price is testing the final support line. You can see around 27,000, right? This is a final support line. And as soon as we break this final support line, the next area of confluence is going to be around 25,000 range. So that's why this 25,000 should be monitored carefully, because we know in a bigger time frame, this could be a potential retest of the previous temporary race line before price decides the trend direction. And now let me give you guys another big reason why this here is also pointing a big warning sign. This is S&P 500, and why this S&P 500 is also indicating us a big warning sign, because if we look at this S&P 500 chart in a daily time frame, we are clearly following this descending broadening wedge, which looks like a bullish continuation pattern. But here is a twist, guys. In the past price action, when we broke out from this upper trend line, you can see the price of S&P 500 started turning bullish. We even came back to retest it. The line which previously acted as a resistance acted as a strong line of support. I mean, the upper trend line, if you look at this carefully, right, acted as a strong line of resistance. But when we had this retracement after breaking above it, this same line acted as a support, and price after that started showing bullishness. But now a big warning sign is being flashed for us, because if we look at this MACD in a daily time frame, MACD is about to form a bearish crossover. Yes, guys, this bearish crossover is definitely considered very important, because in the past price action, if we simply look at this bearish crossover, this one here, right, each and every time whenever the MACD after some bullish movement started appearing like this, what has happened here in price action of S&P 500? We started showing a reversal here to the downside. Yes, each and every bearish crossover led to a price retracement, and this is exactly what is being flashed right now. So according to this S&P 500, since this is also about to signal a bearish crossover, please be careful, because if we do see another retracement in S&P 500, that means the price of Bitcoin could also be heading towards this 25,000 range before deciding the trend duration. Yes, guys, this is very important. So according to this S&P 500, if we do see another retracement here to the downside, the next area of confluence is going to be the area where we could be getting attracted, and that will be another 5% drop. So 5% drop in S&P 500 means the price of Bitcoin has a very high probability of testing the 25,000 support line before deciding the trend duration. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. And again, a friendly reminder, mint your Sol Pass, which is completely free, and by doing that you are going to get 100 XPT airdrop. So guys, grab this opportunity. By saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.